Hello everyone, in today's video we will be demonstrating a detailed walkthrough on designing a page in Devum App Studio by incorporating container, label and date range elements. In designer mode, once your grid layout is structured to meet your requirements, you can proceed to add two containers. Place the first container in the first row and the second container in the second row. Inside the first container, we'll begin by adding a header element, which you can find under the Basic Elements section in the library. This will serve as the title or label for the section. In addition to the header, we'll also add a date range element, which is another component available within the Basic Elements category. Once both elements are added, we'll proceed to arrange them neatly, side by side. Now, let us show you how to align these elements effectively. From the Properties panel, you'll find various configuration options, such as width, height, background color, borders, and more. To align the elements side by side, make sure to use the Display Layout settings and select Flex. When you enable the display flags, you'll notice several layout direction options, such as row, column, row reverse, and column reverse. In this case, I'll select the row direction to align the elements horizontally. Next, I'll apply the Justify. Space between setting to place one control on the left and the other on the right for a balanced layout. Now, I'll switch back to the designer mode of the grid layout to demonstrate how to configure the date range control. As you can see, it's currently taking up the entire width of the container. To adjust this, I'll change its width to 120 pixels. Once applied, you'll notice a visible difference in its size and alignment, as shown. Now let's increase the width to 180 pixels to enhance the visibility and spacing of the date range control. These are some of the key configuration settings available for customizing the date range component. Then we will adjust the height of this row to 60 pixels to create a more compact layout. And that's how we added containers, placed the label and date range, and adjusted them to create a clean design. Thank you.